Not a lot of people know about this, but it's really important to discuss, especially as AI becomes more widespread. Models have a problem called sycophancy, which is when they tell the user that they're amazing and that they're right, even when they're wrong. It's actually resulting in some pretty significant mental health concerns, so we should talk about it. This research paper just came out trying to find the source of sycophancy in models. Let's talk about what the study showed causes sycophancy and how you can help prevent it in your prompts going forward. I'm Harper. I'm a machine learning engineer building these systems for about the last 10 years. I'm here to make AI clear and accessible to everyone and help filter the hype. Before this paper, we already knew that sycophancy could be caused by reinforcement learning with human feedback. So after the model has been trained, it gets kind of trained a little bit more. It's fine-tuned with human feedback. And we found that humans tend to like when the model reinforces their beliefs, which is interesting, right? Like, we should want a model that is impartial, but humans are actually training the model to be sycophantic. However, this paper also showed that it's actually an inherent trait of the models themselves. The paper looked at open source models, common open source models like Mistral, Llama, and was able to actually look at the code of the model. And this is before any kind of reinforcement learning with human feedback happens. One interesting finding that the paper found was that it doesn't matter whether you tell the model you're a beginner or intermediate or expert at the topic being discussed. It doesn't matter. That doesn't influence whether the model will agree with what you're saying. What did matter was how the user phrased their opinion. When the user said, "I believe," in the prompt, there was much more sycophancy than when the user said they believe. Model sycophancy is a significant problem. It is giving misinformation to users, and it is causing mental health issues. So tell your loved ones about it, tell people you know, because you can fight it. Do not tell the model what you believe. You can say others believe in something. There's less sycophancy from that. And ask the model to be objective with you. Ask it to push back on what you're thinking. Ask it what you're not seeing. Your prompt can really help with the behavior of the model. It can really help with the sycophantic tendencies. I'm always asking my model, are you just telling me what I want to hear? Be objective about this. Don't be sycophantic. And it does help. So send this to those you love. This is a really important thing because I'm seeing people get swept up in models kind of telling them what they want to hear, telling them that they're so amazing. And you are amazing, but models are trained to do that. So careful with trusting them.